Hello friends, welcome to RV Civil tutorial. In this video I will discuss about the analysis of doubly reinforced beam by using limit state method. These are the steps we follow to analyze a doubly reinforced section. Step 1 is calculation of stress in compression steel, and step 2 is the calculation of depth of neutral axis, and step 3 is calculation of moment of resistance. If XU less than XU max, this is the under reinforced section. We analysis by this formula, and XU greater than XU max, this is the over reinforced section. We analysis by this formula. Let us see one example. Calculate the moment of resistance of a reinforced concrete beam of rectangular section 250 mm wide and 500 mm deep overall depth. If it is reinforced with 6 number of 20 mm bars on tension side, that is tension reinforcement, and 2 numbers of 20 mm bars on compression side, that is compression reinforcement. Assume steel of grade Fe 250 and concrete of grade M20, and effective cover provided is 40 mm on both sides. This is the question. Let us solve this. First of all, we write the given data. Width of the beam equal to 250 mm, and overall depth is capital D equal to 500 mm, and effective cover is 40 mm. Then effective depth equal to overall depth minus effective cover. Then we get the effective depth equal to 460 mm, and grade of concrete FCK equal to 20 Newton per mm square, and grade of steel Fi equal to 250 Newton per mm square. Then AST equal to area of tension reinforcement equal to 6 number of bars into 20 mm dia. So pi by 4 into 20 square. We get the AST equal to 1885 mm square. Then compression reinforcement ASC equal to 2 number of 20 mm bars, 2 into pi by 4 into 20 square. We get the 628.3 mm square. First step is the stress in compression steel FSC equal to 0.0035 into 1 minus d dash by xu max into Young's modulus of steel. Substitute all the values in the formula. FSC equal to 0.0035 into 1 minus d dash is the 40 by xu max for Fe 250 grade steel equal to 0.53 into effective depth. 0.53 into effective depth is the 460 mm into Young's modulus of steel, we know that 2 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square. By solving this, we get the FSC equal to 585.2 Newton per mm square. But FSC not greater than the 0.87 into Fi. 0.87 into Fi is the 250 grade given in the question. We get the 217.5 Newton per mm square. So FSC not greater than the 217.5 Newton per mm square. So we take in the FSC equal to 217.5 Newton per mm square. Next step is the calculation of depth of neutral axis. Depth of neutral axis calculated by using comparison between the total compressive force and total tensile force. Compressive force is the 0.36 FCK B into XU plus FSC into ASC equal to total tensile force is the 0.87 into Fi into AST. Substitute all these values, then we get the XU. XU equal to 151.85 mm. Then find out the limiting depth of neutral axis. XU max equal to 0.53 into D for Fe 250 grade steel equal to 0.53 into effective depth is the 460 mm. Then XU max we get the 243.8 mm. XU is the 151.85 mm and XU max equal 243.8 mm. So XU less than the XU max. This is the under reinforced section. Then we analysis to the under reinforced section. Moment of resistance equal to 0.87 Fi AST1 into D minus 0.42 XU plus 0.87 Fi AST into D minus D dash. We know all the terms except AST2 and AST1. So first we calculate the AST2 by using this. Substitute all the values and solve this, we get the AST2 equal to 628.3 mm square. After that we calculate the AST1 equal to total area of reinforcement minus AST2. Total area of reinforcement AST equal to 1885 minus AST2 is the 628.3. We get the AST1 equal to 1256.7 mm square. Substitute AST1 and AST2 and remaining values in this equation. Then we get the moment of resistance equal to 165.7 into 10 to the power of 6 Newton mm. Convert to kilonewton meter, we get the 165.7 kilonewton meter is the moment of resistance. This is the procedure to calculate moment of resistance for under reinforced section. If XU greater than XU max, this is the over reinforced section. Then we analysis to the over reinforced section by using this formula. Just simply substitute all the values, we get the moment of resistance. So this is the procedure of analysis of doubly reinforced section by using limit state method. Thank you for watching this video. For more interesting videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get more notifications.